Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to use the LOOkX Matte Perfection Foundation. This foundation is a comfortable and hydrating foundation with a medium to full coverage and oil-free formula with a powder finish. The foundation has an easy pump to ensure a controlled amount of foundation. I take my LOOkX foundation brush to apply the foundation with short brush motions. Make sure you apply foundation all over your face, including the eye area, to avoid colour differences. Now we have a perfect matte skin with the LOOkX Matte Perfection Foundation. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.